Comby 9000 is a 3-phase steam generator ideal for industrial use, with a robust stainless steel body. The machine is equipped with a suction function. Such technology, called the Dry Master, allows the operator to vacuum and dry up perfectly the surface treated with steam. In addition, the machine's exclusive InfiniVac system offers the possibility to adjust the suction power to obtain an even better cleaning result. The boiler has a capacity of 4.2 liters, which develops 10 bar of power thanks to the free heating elements of 9000 Watt in total. Additionally, the boiler is equipped with the exclusive non-stop system technology, which facilitates the continuous supply of water within the same. Thanks to our exclusive Dose Master technology, from 1 to 32 levels, the electronic management of the steam detergent mixture allows you to mix the ideal quantity of solution with steam, thus avoiding any waste. In addition, the exclusive hydrojet system enhances cleaning by generating flows of a wet steam, and thus facilitates the rinsing of the surfaces being treated. Our exclusive Flow Master technology makes it very easy to manage steam and allows to decrease or increase its flow according to real needs. Comby 9000 allows you to clean very effectively thanks to a series of advantages ranging from reduced consumption of water and detergents, the latter practically eliminated, to through aging of any treated surfaces. In fact, thanks to the heat generated by the steam, it is possible to dissolve even the most stubborn dirt deposited of any surface. Furthermore, this model can be equipped with the exclusive hydropower technology, which makes it possible to connect the Comby 9000 to the water mains for long-term work. Join STI. Join the steam revolution.